Guess what channel reached 2,000 subscribers today? Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much. We hit 2,000 subscribers. It took a quick 3.5 months to reach 1,000 subscribers, which was amazing to me. And then 1 month after, here comes another 1,000. I don't even know what to say, but thank you so much. I just want you to know that each and every one of you is very special to me and very special to this channel. I really appreciate all the time you give to watch all my videos. And like what I said, when we hit 1K, all the likes, all the comments, every time you share the video, all those contribute to the algorithm, which helps the channel so much, which tells YouTube to share my videos to more people. Therefore, more people get to enjoy our self-improvement lifestyle and good vibes videos. So yeah, thank you so much. Please do continue to let me know in the comments what kinds of videos you enjoy. Let me know all your feedbacks, all your suggestions. I love hearing from you guys. If you just want to say hi, go ahead and put it in the comments too. I love reading all your comments. All of you are so nice. So yeah, thank you so much. All right, now let's go to the actual video for the day. I've upgraded to iOS 14 2 days ago, and so far I've been enjoying it. I have here my iPhone. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and today we're gonna edit my home screen. One of the new main features of iOS 14 that everyone's been busy with for the past few days would be the widgets. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to add widgets to your home screen and a step-by-step on how to customize them. So adding widgets will help you see your important stuff quicker, like the calendar, the time, or whatever. I think it's helpful, and I think it looks pretty too. The home screen is the one you see once you unlock your phone. We are not gonna touch the lock screen. This is the lock screen. My lock screen's my digital vision board, so we're not gonna touch that. If you want a vision board lock screen like this one, I actually have a step-by-step tutorial in one of my videos. I'm gonna link it down below. All right, so let's start. Let me just record my screen. All right, so now we're at my home screen. As you can see, I have individual icons in there and my folders. I have 2 pages right now, so what we're gonna do is add widgets in this first page. To add widgets, you will need an app called Widgetsmith. Actually researched some more widgets. I just typed in widgets in the App Store, and the color widgets also appeared. Let's open this one real quick. Color widgets look cool too, but this is all you get. There's not much customization that you can do. The designs are cool, but I kind of like the designs in Widgetsmith better. So yeah, we're gonna get out of this. Let's go to Widgetsmith. As you can see, I've already created some of my widgets, so just disregard those. Pretend there's no 1 to 4 in there. When you click on Widgetsmith, you'll have the option to add a small widget, add medium widgets, or large widgets. To create a widget, what you're gonna do is to either tap on add small widget, medium widget, or a large widget. I kind of want to mix the medium and the small, so let's do small first. So let's tap on add small widget. All right, so this small number 5 appeared. Now what you have to do is to click on that calendar, click in the middle, click on the calendar again. Once you tap on it, you'll see all the other options that are here, which is a lot. There's a couple of locked ones, but we don't need that anyway. So you'll see here, there's options for how you want your clock to look like, how you want your day to appear. Also, you can add in like custom widgets. You can add a photo, you can add your custom text, you can add a blank one. And then here at the bottom, you can add calendar, you can add reminders. The one for the weather is locked, so we're just gonna leave that. I mean, of course, you can pay for the app so that you can unlock it, but for now I'm gonna use the free ones. So once you select any of these, it'll give you more options. Let's click this time right here. When you click time, you'll see location, font, tint color, background color, time format. So you kind of just want to play around with it. We can go to font. I'm just gonna leave it to rounded. We can go to tint color. I'll just leave it to white because I want to change the background color. To change the background color, just click this one. When you scroll up, it's gonna show you all the other colors. And then what you can do too is scroll all the way down and you'll see border colors as well. I think I'm gonna leave it without a border. I actually have this set already, but just to show you, okay, we'll pick pastel pink. And then the last one would be the time format. Yeah, we'll just leave it to system setting for now. After that, when you're done, tap on small number 5 on the the upper left side, just save it. It's just gonna save together with your other widgets. If you can see here, I also created a custom one where I put enjoy the little things. For this one, I just picked the custom add your own text widget. So here, I just picked custom text, and then in the text part, you can simply type what you want to put, and you have your widget right here. So far, this is what I have. I also created one for my steps. Now, if you want to add a medium widget, you can do that as well. Just go to add medium widget, and then you see how this new black one appears. Just click on it and then tap on it again, and you'll see here all the options that they have for the calendar. So that's the medium one. It's gonna be the same one for the large. Just click on large widget, tap on the calendar, tap on it again, and again you can select from these. I think there's less selection for the large one, but we're not going to use large anyway. But if you want to, of course you can. You can also customize this. So yeah. All right, now that your widgets are set, what you want to do is to go to your main home screen. Just tap anywhere on the screen until it goes to the jiggle mode. Once you're in the jiggle mode, you'll see this plus sign on the upper left hand side. Just click it, go to the bottommost app. You'll see Widgetsmith there. So just tap on that. Once it opens, you'll see small, medium, or large. You won't see the actual widget that you created yet. So what you're gonna do is to pick either small, medium, or large. Let's go to the medium one first, and then tap on add widget, and you see the widget that appeared isn't the one that we wanted. This is just one of the, I think, 4 or 5 that we put there. So what you want to do is just to tap on it. You'll see this one, just tap on that again, and then you can pick the number of the widget that you wanted. I think that was number 1. And then once you select it, just tap out of that, and there you go. There's my pretty calendar. Now we want to add the small widgets too. To do that, just tap on the plus sign again on the upper left hand side. Look for Widgetsmith. It's the same process as the medium one, but instead of choosing medium, we'll go with small, and then tap on add widget. Once you add that, oh, I think this is the one that I wanted. Yeah, this is the one that we want, so that's perfect. Let me just move this down here. And then I want to add the other widget that we have. So again, we're going to do the same process. And I kind of want to put it here. There you go. I think that looks pretty. Another cool feature of the widgets is that you can add multiple widgets on the same page, but you can stack them together so that they don't occupy that much space. Let's say I want to add my steps, but I don't want to see it right away. Like, I want it to be behind the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on it, hold it, and drag it onto the time. And then see, once it's on it, you can now scroll up or down. So it depends on what you want to be on top. But yeah, you can stack them all together. I think you can stack up to 10, I'm not sure. But you can stack them together and just scroll. Yeah, I love it. It's perfect with my wallpaper too. The wallpaper, by the way, I created that on my own in Canva. I've had a lot of tutorials for Canva in my past videos, but if you want a specific tutorial for an iPhone wallpaper, let me know and I can create that for you. So yeah, once you unlock your phone, there you see it right away. You'll see the calendar right away, your time, and on the next page will be my folders. Actually, this was originally 11 pages. My apps were like scattered everywhere. If you want to see how I put everything in the folder and how I organized everything, I'll put a link to that video down at the description box as well. So yeah, that's it for adding and customizing our widgets. Okay, now let me just show you a few of the other features of iOS 14. So we're in our home screen. When you swipe towards the right, you'll see your other page, and when you swipe all the way to the end, you'll see this new feature, which is the app library. So in the app library, Apple automatically put everything in folders. There's like a little misses here and there. That's why I still have my own folders. That's why I still did them. Plus, well, at the time I'm recording this, the feature of you being able to customize these aren't there yet. But what's good is that when you delete any app from your phone, it gives you the option to either delete the app or to move to the app library. At least you don't lose the app, it's still there. It's just not visible right away. So yeah, that's a good one. Another feature is the hidden page, where you can actually hide the whole page. So let's say we want to hide this second page that we have right here. What you can do is to put it to jiggle mode again, click these three dots at the bottom. When you click it, you'll see that there are check marks on each of the pages. If you uncheck one of the pages and click out of it, you'll see that that page is gone. See, it goes straight directly to the app library. Maybe I'll do that when I have like apps that are scattered everywhere, and I just put them in one page and just hide that page, you know, so that it's not messy. Apps that I might be able to use eventually, but I'm not using like daily. What else? Oh, okay, so iOS 14 also has the back tap feature, which I think is pretty cool. So back tap is literally tapping the back of your phone. So you have the option to tap it twice or tap it thrice. To do that, you just have to go to your settings, go look for accessibility and look for touch. Go all the way to the bottom and you'll see back tap. So you have an option to pick what you would want your phone to do when you double tap the back or you triple tap the back. I chose screenshot, but here are the other stuff that you can do. You can do a shortcut to your camera, to your photos. So I'll just do screenshot for mine. So just click it. So if I double tap this one, ta-da! There's the screenshot. If I triple tap, 1, 2, 3, it goes to my photos. So yeah, that's some of their features. The ones that I showed you are just a few of them. I'm pretty sure there's more. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you learn more about iOS 14 and how to customize everything. If you want to know how I organized all my apps into folders, and if you want to know how I customized my icons, like how I changed it to those pretty pictures, they're all going to be in another video, so this won't be too long. And I'm going to link that video down at the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again for 2,000 subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and even share the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.